What gets you moving, really? What pulls you out of bed when the world is still quiet? What pushes you off the couch and into the grind? It's not the alarm, it's not your family, it's not your friends, it's you. You are the one who decides if today is another repeat, or the day everything changes. Most people never start because they're led by their excuses. But I'm tired, but I'm not ready, but I don't have the money, but I don't have the confidence, but I don't know where to begin. That word "but" is the anchor that keeps you stuck in the same place. If you want to step into your future, you have to stop letting excuses run your life. A pity party is just your mind replaying the same negative story over and over until you believe it. If you need to cry, fine, take a moment. But when that moment ends, you stand up, you wipe your face, and you build a plan. Do you settle? No, you say, enough, I'm done living like this. And then you chase what you believe you deserve until it's in your hands. It doesn't matter how many times you've been rejected. It doesn't matter who doubts you. It doesn't matter how many times life knocks you down. You keep going until you get it. Some of you aren't tired enough yet. You need to get tired of your own patterns, tired of the habits that hold you back, tired of the choices that keep you stuck. Nothing changes until you change. One day you wake up and stop making excuses. One day you stop blaming everyone else. One day you look in the mirror and say, "Bro, what are you doing? Get up, it's showtime." Go to class, do the work. Wake up earlier, stay later, stay humble. Outwork everyone when nobody's watching. And eventually people will look at you and say, "He's built different." But that label doesn't come from talent. It comes from discipline. It comes from sacrifice. It comes from doing the work when you don't feel like it. Your life is the result of every choice you've made. Own that, control that. Because the world doesn't hand out rewards for potential. It gives results to the people who grind. Winning doesn't care how you feel. Winning doesn't care how tired you are. Winning doesn't care how many hours you slept. Winning demands everything and promises nothing. It will test you, it will scare you, it will push you to the edge. But if you don't chase it, the only thing guaranteed is losing. So now is the moment. Now is the grind. Now is the time to show the world why you're here. Work for it, fight for it, bleed for it. Start today, continue tomorrow, and never let the fire die, because the future you want is waiting for the version of you who refuses to quit.